Hi there, this is Tyler Rogers.
And this is Lisa Ponsler.
We did our Bio 101 Culminating project on ocean acidification with emphasis on coral reefs.
So, we attended the Seas at Risk presentation, and this is a picture proving that we had attended.
So, a little bit about ocean acidification. What it is CO2 in the atmosphere. When those levels increase, the ocean absorbs that, which alters the pH level. It actually lowers it, which makes it more acidic. However, the term acidification is a misnomer. The ocean is not yet acidic. However, it's kind of moving towards the acidic side of things.
So, a little bit about the carbon dioxide part of it. The atmospheric carbon dioxide gets dissolved with water, and the biggest source is from humans, and about 1/3 of that carbon is absorbed by oceans. And it breaks down and turns into carbonic acid, which breaks down into bicarbonate and hydrogen ions, which mixes with the calcium, carbonate, and hydrogen ions from shells and coral skeletons and creates even more bicarbonate ions. And this is the chemistry of how it creates this more acidic ocean. And for example, the imbalanced pH levels in the oceans enables degradation of shell-building organisms, and this is a problem because these are huge parts of the world's culture and economy.
So, as I said in the beginning, we did emphasize on coral reefs. Coral reefs do need to maintain a constant pH level of about 8.2 in order to sustain and grow, and that can fluctuate a little bit, but it needs to stay around that level. It's also the largest source of biodiversity and protects shores from crashing waves. It also provides around $300 billion in global food. So, as these coral reefs start to degrade because of ocean acidification, we lose that biodiversity and we lose that huge food source, which impacts the world as a whole. So, how can we fix this? We can change our mode of transport by carpooling or riding our bikes.
We can also limit electricity by unplugging things that are not in use, for example, phone chargers and toasters, as well as turning lights off when you leave a room.
And buy locally. I mean, that really stops the process of transporting foods across the country or across nations as well.
And another big part of this is being educated and more aware of the problems of CO2 in the atmosphere, as well as how that can in turn affect marine life.
Also, get involved with legislation to get some laws passed that protect the ocean and coral reefs and also limit our production of CO2. So, this concludes our presentation on ocean acidification with the emphasis on coral reefs.